How to add photos to the Facebook album without posting them. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to create an album and add photos to it but do not want to post it, there is no such direct option by which you can do it. But alternatively, you can post it for yourself and save it. For this, open your Facebook account and log in. Now tap on this profile icon which is present on the top right corner. After that, click on your name to go to your profile. Then go to Photos and then tap on Albums. Now you can create a new album, but for this, make sure that you have selected Only Me in the privacy setting. This way, no other person can see your album, so this way it won't be posted. Once you have created it, tap on it and you can add any pictures to it. For that, what you have to do is click on Add Photos and Videos. Now select any of the video and tap on Next and post it. This way, you can save the videos and photos, but it won't be posted on others' feed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.